still making our way. Benton still has his tree. Anya and Eamon have theirs. Dave's got the tree on the van. Hi, baby. Keep going, bud. You got your tree. I don't know whose big tree. Oh. Keep going. It's pretty big. He's surveying it. Oh no. Still working on that tree. Can you get it? Yeah? Take it to Daddy. He'll put it... Oh, the water. Yeah, it's on the car. Hang on, Eamon. I don't know if he wants that open.